Want to live a long and happy life? Easy. Just avoid these dangerous situations. Throw out your bed. Falling out of bed kills 450 people annually. Of course, always watch what you eat. And eat from. Never use a vending machine or even stand close to one. They kill 13 people a year. And ants? They cause 30 deaths per year. So if you see ants, run. But not too fast. 6 runners die per year during races. So stay indoors, but try not to move. 18,000 deaths occur from accidental injuries in the home. Baths alone kill 340 people. Oh, and not to mention heart disease, respiratory illnesses, stroke, cancer, and unintentional injuries. If you're able to avoid all this, you will greatly increase your chances of living a long and happy life.
Meet Frank. Frank just bought $500,000 of traditional term life insurance to protect his loved ones when he's gone. And this is Jim. Jim also just bought $500,000 of term life insurance. He thought it would be nice to have life insurance benefits while he's still living. So Jim purchased the new term life insurance with living benefits. Cut to 5 years later. Incredibly, both Frank and Jim suffered a heart attack while playing a round of golf. Thankfully, both survived, but that's turned out to be a little problematic for Frank. With no way to access his life insurance money, Frank has to pay his bill over time with hard-earned retirement money. Jim, on the other hand, has living benefit term, which means he can take up to 95% of his life insurance death benefit to help pay the bill without ever touching his retirement savings. And he can access his policy again and again until he's taken the maximum benefit allowed, which is good because he keeps getting into trouble on the golf course.
Call 1-800-657-7178 to receive a free, no-obligation quote today. That's 1-800-657-7178. We look forward to helping you.